This may be the biggest medical dispute in the history of Chinese medicine. Due to the irrationality and revenge of the patient, a truly genius doctor was destroyed. If we could go back in time, would you still treat him? Certainly not. Before experiencing that catastrophic disaster, he had performed 86 surgeries in one day, helping 15,000 people regain their sight. But now, those hands that saved lives and healed wounds are full of scars, unable to even make a simple fist. The doctor ruined by medical disturbances is named Tao Yang, a top-level ophthalmologist. As a post-ADS individual, he was admitted to Peking University's medical department at 17, was recommended for a master's degree at Peking University at 25, and obtained a PhD at 27, becoming a doctoral supervisor and professor by the age of 35. He was also a chief physician at a top-tier hospital in Beijing, holding 3 national patents and having published 98 SCI papers. It's worth noting that publishing in SCI, an international journal, is as challenging as winning a gold medal in an international competition. Tao Yang's publication of nearly 100 papers attests to his status in ophthalmology. During his studies in Germany, his mentor hoped he would stay and continue his research. Faced with the temptation of money and fame, Tao Yang refused without hesitation. Practicing medicine was not about money or fame for him, but stemmed from a childhood desire to heal and save lives, especially after witnessing his mother's struggle with eye disease. Upon returning to China, he worked at Beijing Chaoyang Hospital, affiliated with Capital Medical University, and quickly became a chief physician. Uveitis is a global challenge in ophthalmology, with very few top doctors capable of treating it, including Tao Yang and his mentor. Their efforts helped countless patients regain sight. Tao Yang led teams on national initiatives to perform over 2,000 free cataract surgeries for patients in poor regions. This ambitious doctor, aiming to contribute more to Chinese medicine, never expected his career to be destroyed by a patient he had strived to save. The blind man, upon seeing the world for the first time, turned around and attacked the doctor who restored his sight with a kitchen knife. This act not only destroyed a talented doctor, but also the hope of millions of families for regaining sight. Tao Yang, a top ophthalmologist, was attacked with a kitchen knife by a thug while consulting patients on January 20th, 2020. He suffered head injuries before escaping from the 7th to the 6th floor, thanks to people who bravely shielded him. Tao Yang was stabbed 3 times, resulting in a skull injury and occipital bone fracture, and his left arm was severely injured, leading to a blood loss of 1,500 milliliters. After 8 hours of emergency treatment, he was out of life-threatening danger 2 weeks later. However, the injury left his hand disabled, a devastating blow for a surgeon. The perpetrator, Kui, who had a severe eye condition, attacked Tao Yang out of dissatisfaction with the surgery outcome, despite the lack of error in the procedure. Despite Tao Yang's efforts, including performing the surgery shortly after his own back surgery and waiving part of Kui's treatment fees due to his poverty, his kindness was met with violence. The attack not only harmed Tao Yang, but also a colleague and a patient's mother who defended him, jeopardizing their own health. Now, unable to perform surgery, Tao Yang focuses on sharing his knowledge through lectures and media appearances, raising awareness of eye conditions. In February 2021, Kui was sentenced to death with a 2-year reprieve for attempted murder, a deserved outcome for destroying countless hopes.